Oh, YouTubers, you guys wanted me to do a YouTube handcuff escape out of a chair, and that's what I'm gonna do. The wrist will be bound right here. To the side, and the key all the way up here. Pretty high. That's pretty much it.
Hi, YouTube people. Let's see if she can get out of this one.
You have to come over here and handcuff my other wrist. Let me get this wrist.
I'm going to handcuff her other wrist so she can...
Here's this wrist. This one is the one you need to handcuff.
Here's the handcuff. And here is me snapping really tight.
And here is the key all the way up there.
She has to use her leg.
No, I'm too short for that. Oh.
Well, Olivia,
This is
she has to use her back muscles to get the key, and, well,
sit back in the chair.
she has to use some certain kind of limbs. Or she can just hit it. Oh. The thing is not up. Oh, she has it.
I'm going to get really small. No, I can't do it.
She has a cramp, YouTube people. Ah.
My hand is shaking so much, I have too much room. Okay. Pause it.